Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a silk press on my sister's hair. Please forgive how I sound right now. I'm just getting over being sick, and so I'm just very nasally right now. But I'll just come in and out throughout the video. I won't talk through the whole thing because I don't want to eat on nobody's nerves. But anyways, so my sister, she lives quite far from me. But I decided to pack up all my stuff and take it down there with me when I went to go visit her and her new baby. And I wanted to do a silk press on her hair because she went to a hairstylist. She said that the stylist did a really good job on her silk press and her trim, but she said the silk press did not last her long. And she paid a pretty penny for it. So I was like, well, you know what? Let me try it. So I brought all my stuff and I accepted this challenge. So her hair is very, very, very thick. She has very, very beautiful hair. Like, it's very strong. It's healthy, but it's just thick. And she usually wears protective styles because of her job, and she has children, and so she's very busy. So I decided to just do her silk press for her, and I wanted to see if the silk press would last her longer this time. So I want to say that the silk press she had gotten done by the hairstylist, it didn't even last a day. So by the time she got home, it was already starting to puff up. And so I think after I did this silk press, it lasted her 3 days. She just kind of felt like, well, maybe silk presses aren't for me. And I told her, maybe she could try again with just different products, because, I just brought with me what I had on hand. And maybe she needed like what do you call it? The anti-humidity, the one that blocks the humidity from your hair. So I'm thinking, like, because it was kind of warm during this time, but still I feel like her hair shouldn't have reverted back so fast, and I used quite a bit of serum to try to hold it, and her hair still kind of reverted back, within 3 days, whereas my silk press could last a month. But also, I'm used to getting silk presses and she's not, so that could have that could play a factor too. But yeah, so I'm just gonna continue on blow drying her hair. You're gonna see some kids popping in and out. You're gonna see my grandmama pop in with a towel on her head. Y'all just roll with it. Just roll with it. It was a lot going on in this video. Like I said, I wasn't home, and yeah. So anyways, enjoy the video, and I'll be back shortly. Also, if y'all have any suggestions on what's a good product to help block humidity, like when you try to wear a silk press, can you please put them down in the comments below? I would love to check them out. I like trying out new products and trying them on different people. But yeah, it would be good to know some good products that can help her silk press last longer. Now I'm adding the Mizani's Radiance Serum in her hair. I used more than I would usually use because, like I said, I was trying to get her silk press to hold. And now I'm using the Care wax stick around her edges to help hold her edges in place. And when I say hold her edges in place, I mean like if you use it around the perimeter where it's easy for your hair to revert back when you're natural, it helps them not to frizz and get, you know, puffy as quickly. So I use it around my edges all the time, and it just keeps because that's usually the first place where your hair will start reverting back, is like right around your edges. And so when you use like the wax stick and then you press it, it just helps it to hold better, especially if you sweat. Yeah, so far I am in love. Her hair is pressing out so nice. Do you see it? Like, look at it. It is so pretty. Okay guys, so you've made it to the end of this video, and these are the end results, and she loved it. You can see that it's not as flowy as it should be for a silk press, but like I said, I added a lot of serum to try to get it to hold through the warm weather. But I was happy that she liked it more than the first silk press that she had, and so it was a success for me. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.